people, good morning. It's another beautiful morning. As you can see, my Binance balance of 11,805, all from trading crypto on Binance.com, guys. This is Binance.com that I have been trading this crypto, that I have increased the balance to this level. And so guys, without wasting time, on today's video I'm going to show you how you can also trade USDT on Binance.com using Binance and increase your little capital to 11,800 or more than this. So guys, let's do this. So the first step, guys, you need to go on your browser and look for Binance.com, and once you click Binance.com, it will take you to my Binance.com. And the next step, guys, you need to log in. So I will log in. Okay, and you can see now I am logged in. It will log me in a few, and you can see on my account I have a total balance of 196, guys. Okay, and so I'm not going to trade with the balance that I have in here. I'm going to do a test trade with you and show you how it goes. So the first step, I'm going to click on deposit, and then I'll choose USDT, and amount I'll put 1,000. Okay, remember guys, before I continue, we are going to trade USDT. We simply buy USDT below on Binance, and then we come on Binance.com and sell it high. Okay, that's the trading type that we are going to perform right now. So the first step, you need to buy USDT in your Binance. You can use Binance, Bybit, Bitget, or any other exchange that you have. And after that, you need to deposit. Okay, but before you deposit, you need to go to P2P trading, because we are going to deposit, so we will sell. Then you go to sell. Let's say you have how much? 1,000 USDT. You put that, and then you need to find a vendor with at least 1.2, 1.3, or 1.4. You can see this Nicola, this one, Nicolaus Dimitru. I will click on sell to him and put amount 1,000, and you can see now after selling, if I sell out to Nicola at 1,000, I'm going to receive 1,369, and 369, guys, is your profit. Okay, so you can see my balance is not complete. So the next step I need to do, I need to go to on my wallet, and then I'll deposit. And guys, remember to choose funding wallet, and I'll put amount, oh sorry, let me go back. I need to deposit USDT funding wallet, and I'll put amount 1,000. Okay, and then continue. And then guys, once you continue like that, you'll be given an address here. You need to copy this address, and then after copying the address, you go back to your Binance or your Bitget or your Bybit, and then you need to click on USDT and send, withdraw crypto, and then you long press that address here. Your network, you choose TRX. Amount, you need to put 1,000 as you've said, because of 1.3 USDT fee, so you need to put 1,001.3. Very nice. And then guys, you withdraw, and then you confirm your passkey. Okay, I'm now confirming my passkey. That's a very normal message, and then I will now sign in with my passkey. And remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing. And so guys, you can see now the withdrawal is processing. Now the next step, you need to take a screenshot for this withdrawal, and then you need to go back to your Binance and click on upload that screenshot here. You upload that screenshot, and then guys, you submit. Okay, so now I'm submitting the deposit, and the deposit is now on the blockchain being verified. So I need to wait for it to arrive in a few. So guys, now I need to refresh on my deposit and check whether it has arrived. Okay, you can see the deposit has been approved. So I need to go back to my login again. I need to log in again. Sorry, sometimes it can log you out unconditionally, so you just keep on refreshing. Okay, so yes, here we are, and you can see I have now 1,196 after the deposit of 1,000. So now it's time to make the profit. I'll click on P2P, and then I'll go on sell, and guys, I'll choose USDT, and amount I'll put 1,000. Remember guys, Binance is a regulated exchange with over 1 million users in the world, and also I'll look for someone with at least 1.40. I think I'll use Hawa has 1.3, as you can see 1.38. So I'll choose Hawa and sell to Hawa 1,000, and you can see the return is 1,352. Sometimes the price changes because of liquidity. And so guys, the next step, I'll click continue to sell, and payment method I'll choose USDT TRC20. And guys, here is something I need you to see. You can see here there's something called Binance Spot Wallet and the payment address. Okay, so when your Binance Spot Wallet is locked, you just need to click on submit. Okay, and you'll be paid on your Spot Wallet. So you need to wait for you to get paid in your Spot Wallet in 3 minutes, and then you withdraw your profit back to your Binance. Okay, so let's wait. And so guys, you can see the trade has been paid, and you can see here, and I can even text the vendor and say thank you so much. Okay, and so guys, the next step I need to do, okay, you can see the vendor said no problem, just wait for me to release the trade. But the trade has been, I need to release the trade, right? So the next step guys, I need to go back to my account, and you can see now my balance is 1,549. So since you have seen the balance, the next step, you need to go to your what? You need to go to your transaction history section, this, and then you need to click on status, and then you need to release this trade. If the trade was not paid, you just need to report, to dispute it. Okay, and then the support will help you, but it's very rare. So since the vendor has done the good thing, now I'll click on rate the vendor and say the best vendor. Okay, and then I'll submit that review like that. Yes, so now the next step guys I need to do is withdraw the funds back to my Binance. So I will just go to my wallet section, and then I'll click withdraw. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to choose withdraw from funding spot. I don't know, let me see, I don't know where my funds are. My spot wallet, yes, I will withdraw from my spot wallet, the network Tron TRC20, and amount I'm going to put, I will just withdraw 1,400. Okay, no, I will withdraw 1,300 because I made 1,360, and I will receive 1,287. Okay, so the next step, I need now to put my withdrawal address. I'll go back to my Binance, and I will click add USDT and deposit crypto, and then TRX. I'll copy the address of my exchange, and then I'll paste it here, and then guys, I'll review the withdrawal and confirm. Okay, and so now I'm waiting to get my withdrawal into my address in estimated 5 to 15 minutes guys. I'll be back here. Thank you. And so guys, now you can see my withdrawal of 1,287 has been approved and it's on the blockchain. And once it gets on the blockchain like that, it means it has already landed on your Binance account, and now you can see my balance has been deducted. So the next step, guys, I need to check whether I have received the withdrawal. Okay, so I will come here and you can see now my balance has increased to you can see the deposit of 1287 was credited today, and you can see date and time, and also you can see now my balance is 12,087, which is 1,565,053. And guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best in trading. If you have any other question, please don't forget to like this video, share to your friends, and also you can contact me on my TikTok or my Telegram channel, and I will help you for free. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a very wonderful new month coming. Thank you so much, and happy June.